हे दोस्तों, आज बात करते हैं पैडी मूवी ट्रेलर लॉन्च की। पैडी मूवी आ रही है रामचरण और जानवी कपूर की। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। दिस इज द ट्रेलर लॉन्च इवेंट। ए आर रहमान है। ए आर रहमान ने म्यूजिक दिया है। जानवी कपूर इन द फिल्म एंड रामचरण है। आगे बढ़ते हैं। दिस इज द होस्ट
AP Telangana for you from Hyderabad, Vizag, and of course Amchi, Mumbai.
This is the trailer launch in Mumbai.
How do we start, man? Okay. So before we start, hi sir, welcome. Thank you so much for being here, sir. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and all the eminent journalists जो कि आमची मुंबई से है और दुनिया और देश के अलग अलग कोनों से हैं, on behalf of Riddhi Cinemas, I'd like to welcome all of
ये
you
कुछ
as we
इंट्रोडक्शन
present
होता
to you
हुआ
and of course the entire world the trailer of Pet. To see you, ladies and gentlemen, global star Ram Charan in the house.
रामचरण इन द हाउस।
Talking about global, ladies and gentlemen, we have with us the one, the only A.R. Rahman Sahab.
म्यूजिक इज बाय आर रहमान। हाँ,
She is gorgeous, she is talented, and looking at her filmography, she's done wonders, ladies and gentlemen, with each and every
जानवी
film of hers.
कपूर
Give it
इज
up for
देयर।
Janhvi Kapoor. We have our producer Sahab, of course. Give it up for Venkata Satish Killaru Sahab, जिनका birthday भी है आज. Also, ladies and gentlemen, हमारे मुन्ना भैया भी आए हैं. जोरदार तालियां दिव्येंदु बाबू के लिए.
दिव्येंदु इज
दिव्येंदु
प्लेइंग द
बाबू
रोल
से
ऑफ
याद आया
विलन इन द
इन
मूवी।
सबको अपनी विजन के हिसाब से काम कराने वाले बुच्ची बाबू के लिए जोरदार तालियां. And hence
बुच्ची
third row
बाबू
की
इज द
बात करें, कोमल
डायरेक्टर।
sir is here, भारती मैम is here, मीना मैम, भारती मैम.
दिस कम्स द एडवर्टाइजमेंट इन बिटवीन। चलिए इसको स्किप करते हैं।
Multiplayer game with endless possibilities. Every jump is a call to fame. Of course, we all know our superstars, but sir, let me tell you, Ram sir, let me tell you, we have हमारा प्यार दिया. I think चिकरी से ही इस शाम की शुरुआत करनी चाहिए, है कि नहीं? And Ram bhai, we have a surprise for you. Janvi, we have a surprise for you. They prepared something. They would want to, do the steps.
ये कुछ आगे
The
बढ़ता
swag,
है।
Janvi Kapoor का swag, उसके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. डायलॉग बाजी है, कहानी कमाल लग रही है, कमाल का ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, और ऑफ कोर्स रहमान साहब का म्यूजिक. और क्या चाहिए सर के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां. ऑफ कोर्स फ्रेम बाय फ्रेम, दिस इज लुक.
दिस इज द मैन इन ब्लैक
Okay,
इज
what
द
we do is we just
डायरेक्टर।
listen to what sir has to say. सुन लेते हैं थोड़ा, है ना जी. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, I mean, it's a privilege and honor to be
बुच्ची
here.
बाबू।
The atmosphere is electrifying. Nothing more. Fantastic. Love you, Mumbai. Carry on, sir.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. చాలా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ కరణ్ సార్, లవ్ యూ సో మచ్. ఈ ఆపర్చునిటీ నాకు ఇచ్చినందుకు సెకండ్ ఫిల్మ్కే
ये कुछ बातें करते हुए
థ్యాంక్ యూ మీ హార్డ్ వర్క్. ఈ అవకాశం రాదేమో ఆయన ఫస్ట్ ఫిల్మ్ ట్రైలర్లో.
Mind-blowing
कुछ आगे
performance.
बढ़ते हैं।
शांत हो जाते हैं, तो एक काम करते हैं, बुला लेते हैं मुन्ना भैया को. Give it up for Devyendu, ladies and gentlemen.
मुन्ना
A
भैया को बुला लिया
actor
है।
who's here with us. Welcome,
दिव्येंदु
bhai. Thank you so much. Give it up for him.
इज प्लेइंग द रोल ऑफ विलन।
वेलकम भाई, थैंक यू सो मच. एंड क्या बोलना चाहेंगे इस रिस्पांस पे जो अभी मिला है, और ये बिल्कुल वेलकम मिला है आपको यहाँ पे.
It's amazing. Thank you everyone for coming here. आप लोगों का रिएक्शन देख के मजा आ गया, फिल्म का ट्रेलर देख के बहुत मजा आ गया. And I'm just so happy and glad that all of us are here tonight. I mean, it's been such an incredible pleasure to be part of Pedi. Starting with Butchi sir. Butchi sir, thank you. You were like so amazingly warm towards me. Thank you sir, Andy sir. Just how you used to just collaborate on what I could do and how you would capture it. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Ram Garu, you're just amazing, man. Amazing. What a guy you are. Thank you so much for your love and warmth. And this looks amazing, smashing. Janvi, you look amazing. I mean, I'm sure this is a very different part you've played this time. It's amazing. And Rahman sir, honor. It's a sheer honor to be in your presence. Thank you so much, sir.
भाई, I have to ask you, क्योंकि बुच्ची सर का इतनी तारीफ उनकी हमने सुनी है, उनके काम की. पहली फिल्म में ही नेशनल अवार्ड उन्होंने जीत लिया. यहाँ पे when you were told advice देता.
I think यार पेती already is a complete guy. वो सब कुछ करते हैं. वो क्या होगा? आई थिंक मुन्ना यही कहता कि साथ मिलके गैंग बनाते हैं.
ये कुछ बातें
That's so Munna
चलती
bhaiya. Give it up
हुई,
for him, ladies and
लेट्स
gentlemen.
मूव
जोरदार
फॉरवर्ड।
तालियां.
ये
They're asking
कुछ
for
बातें करते हुए
from June 4th.
जून
On
4 को
cam
रिलीज हो
in
रही है।
Telugu. Uh,
लेट्स मूव फॉरवर्ड।
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to invite on stage the man जो कि भारत को सच कहें तो एकदम ग्लोबल नक्शे पे लेके गए और बहुत ऊंचाई तक लेकर गए हैं. The maestro, ladies and gentlemen. इनका गाने जो होते हैं, इनका जो म्यूजिक होता है ना, वो थेरेपी होती है. वो सिर्फ म्यूजिक नहीं होता. Give it up for Mr. A.R. Rahman, ladies and
यार
gentlemen.
रहमान, म्यूजिक इज बाय यार रहमान।
Thank you so much, sir, for gracing the occasion, the stage, and of course, it's so good to see you. Congratulations on this, sir. Sir, we've been told that you were like amongst the first few to watch the movie because BGMP covered it. So talk to us about that, sir. What made you say that yes, this is the movie, you know, and of course the response that we're getting right now.
Yeah, I think I started with Tamil films and then I did Telugu dubbing and Hindi whole thing, and I was waiting for the right movie in Telugu to come. And this is the one.
Wow.
So I was waiting. I was pushing like people used to come with Telugu movies, but when he told me the story and his passion in the eyes made me feel like this is my first movie in Telugu, and I think it's beginning now. But thanks to Kuchi and Ram Charan and Satish. Thank you.
Rahman sir, if there was one thing that actually stayed with you, is film say, what would that be, sir?
I personally think like anything you take, if somebody goes deep within the subject and pulls the best from every artist, that could be the great film. Like, you know, apart from success or failure, I think it's going to be
ये
great
कुछ
success that
बातें
will-
करते
Secretly
हुए
was first film.
यार
He said very good.
रहमान। लेट्स मूव
You
फॉरवर्ड।
know, collaborating with him and of course praises him. What would you want to say?
అంతే
हियर कम्स जानवी कपूर। जानवी कपूर की एंट्री होती हुई।
Ladies and gentlemen, Chick Daddy in the house.
थैंक यू। पहले तो ऐसे लग रहा है कि बहुत वक्त के बाद आप सबको ऐसे मंच पर मिल रही हूँ, तो थैंक यू इतना प्यार देने के लिए, एंड आई एम सो हैप्पी टू बी हियर। हम ये फिल्म पर
जूम कर
पिछले
रहे
2
हैं
सालों
लोग।
से काम कर रहे हैं और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। आज मैंने पहली बार आप सबके साथ ट्रेलर देखा है और सबकी मेहनत को देखकर, सबका प्यार को देखकर मैं इतनी खुश हूँ, एंड या इट्स अ वेरी स्पेशल डे आई थिंक फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस।
You know, there's so much to talk about. Your character, the film, the cast, the wonderful people associated with it. लेकिन सबसे पहले, please हमें बताइए वो जो बिंदास अंदाज में आप दिख रहे हैं ना. You know, we've seen you portray a lot of characters, लेकिन ये सबसे हटके, सबसे बिंदास है. You're killing it. So here, adapting that body language, the language, and of course that attitude. How was it for you?
इट वॉज ऑल बुच्ची सर। ये जैसे कि इन्होंने कहा ना कि ये लग रहा है ऐसे छुई मुई से, ये है नहीं, ये सबसे राउडी डायरेक्टर है इंडिया का।
दिस इज
It's
बुच्ची
true, but
साहब,
honestly, it's been an honor for me.
मैन
I
इन
think ये फिल्म ने
ब्लैक।
मुझे बहुत कुछ दिया है, इतना सुपर ट्रेलर दिया, आप सबसे इतना प्यार दिया। होपफुली फॉर्चून के बाद और भी प्यार आएगा, बट रियली इस मूवी के दौरान मैं इन सब लोगों को जान पाई हूँ। ऑफ कोर्स देवेंदु जी के साथ काफी कम सीन्स रहे हैं, बट होपफुली इन द फ्यूचर रैंडी सर के साथ ये मेरा दूसरा फिल्म है, एंड आई थिंक आई लुक द बेस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ हिज कैमरा, सो थैंक यू सर ऑलवेज। It's always an honor to be a part of a film where Rahman sir is doing the music. It's I think our second collaboration together. It's been a complete honor. और ये जो इंसान है जो मेरे बगल में खड़े हैं, इन्होंने honestly he's changed me in so many ways. In fact, I think एक पॉइंट पर मैं जिस तरह से इनको अभी कॉल करती हूँ ना, ये मेरे बेस्ट फ्रेंड हो गए। हर रोज मुझे एक कॉल तो करना ही पड़ता है बुच्ची सर को कि सर कैसे जा रहा है, सर डबिंग करे, फालतू की बातें करती हूँ मैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि रोल तो खत्म हो गया है, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ आई थिंक इट जस्ट गोज टू शो द इन्वेस्टमेंट। इवन सतीश गारू, इन्होंने मुझे इतना अपनापन दिया है सेट पर। I feel like there's a genuine sense of ownership with the film, and it is genuinely one of the biggest honors of my life to have worked with Ram sir and see what he's given this film. And I think because of all of the love that everyone's obviously given Mom and Chiranjeevi sir
ये कुछ बात
throughout the
करती
years.
हुई श्रीदेवी जी की बात करती हुई, उनकी
I
मदर।
understand कि बहुत ही अलग टाइप का जुड़ाव है लोगों को हमारे साथ, and it means a lot to us, but it felt very cosmic to come together for a very special film with him and to get to know him as a person, because he is the best person. He really is the best person. So I hope that you all enjoy everything he's given to the film, because we've all given a piece of our hearts to the film. So yeah.
लेट्स
बहुत
मूव
भाषण दे दिया
फॉरवर्ड।
अभी क्या
रामचरण is here. Advertisement came in between. रामचरण की एंट्री हो चुकी है। बात आगे बढ़ते हैं। पब्लिक बोलने नहीं
अच्छा
दे
एक
रहा है
मिनट
उनको।
व्हाट वील डू इज
आगे बढ़ते हैं।
He's composed. Especially, I love your work in Pele, sir. It is one of my favorite background scores. So it is such an honor to be in his presence in his films that he's part of. Thank you so much for being part of Petti, sir. And Devin, thank you, man. You're a gangster. No, say gangster. It's his personality is almost like a giant personality. The way he carries every word, every
देवेंद्र
dialogue,
का
the expression. He's got a swag. He's got his own
प्रेस करते
way.
हुए
Body language is something that I would like to develop or inculcate. And of course, this is my fifth film, or fourth film with Randy sir. He's a master. He's a master. He etched every frame. So it is like a nostalgic thing for all of us. And this will not this pair will not disappoint. Small gift that Bucci has given me. So through the course of the film, I think last 25-30 days we were doing Kusti. But here, talk to us about this transformation of yours. And physically, nahi tha, because I'm sure
ये कुछ बातें चलती
what
हुई।
led him to do what he is. The pain. I don't know how Amir sir and Salman sir has done it. I have a lot of injuries. It is, but every
आमिर
single day
खान
there
और
is
सलमान खान की
feeling
बात
that
करते
I
हुए
want to wake up
बिकॉज
today and go to sets.
दंगल
School
एंड
जाना है यार today इतना shooting करना है. No, I don't want to leave my
सुल्तान
sets.
was already shoot before this. It is the same movie like that.
One of the first few movies where I didn't want to leave the sets. I want to wake up at 5, work out and go there. So ऐसे school boy जैसे था. So it is very interesting.
ये कुछ
From Mumbai to Madhya Pradesh. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. His team के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए. We'll do
this is the team all together
एक बिना मेस के they would want yeah,
holding
take this.
the bat
Thank you.
and the gada.
Also, before we wrap this up, Satish sir, कुछ closing remarks if you'd like to
I
say something
think
to all
this
the
is
lovely
the
people here.
end. Thank you for watching the video. If you really like the video, subscribe कीजिए, like कीजिए और share कीजिए. Thank you for watching.